For example, if you'll observe here, so I'm saying that specified temperature is known as solubility of solubility of a solute in solvent. Is it yes or no, guys? For example, let us take two beakers. Both are at the rate of 20 degrees Celsius, and this is also what is at the rate of 20 degrees Celsius.
20 degrees Celsius.
And in this, I am taking 100 grams of water. What is that? 100 grams of water. Is it yes or no? And here also I am taking how much? 100 grams of solvent. What is that? 100 grams of solvent.
100 grams of solvent.
Yes. In this, I will add potassium nitrate. If I add potassium nitrate, so how much it will come? Can you able to say? So how much it is? Say, check your notebooks and tell me. In this, I will add potassium nitrate.
36 grams, sir.
Nitrate, and in this I will add sodium chloride. So now, what is the solubility of potassium nitrate in 100 grams of water? Check your notebooks and tell me.
36 grams.
32 grams. Pradosh, I am saying NaCl, potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate, maximum it can dissolve how much, Ra? 32 grams.
32 grams.
So 32 is the solubility of potassium nitrate. Potassium nitrate in water at what temperature? Ra? At a specified temperature. What is the temperature? What is the temperature? 20 degrees. Understand, guys? 20 degrees Celsius. That is what you have to remember. Like that, if you take salt, it will dissolve. How much it will dissolve maximum at the 20 degrees Celsius? 36 grams. Is it yes or no? So this 32 grams is the solubility of potassium nitrate, and 36 grams is the what? Solubility of sodium chloride. Like this, different substances is having different solubility. Means at the same temperature, fixed temperature, and the same amount of solvent, different substances will dissolve in a different amounts. Are you understand, guys? Yes or no, guys? Now, suppose if we'll take, sir, then let me give more examples, sir. Then only we can understand more better. Suppose, how many of you know sugar? How many of you know sugar? Sugar, you guys know? Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
At the same 20 degrees Celsius, same 100 ml of water, 100 ml of water. If you take the sugar, do you know sugar? You will be surprising. Solubility in water, 204 grams will dissolve. How much grams, Ra? 204
204 grams.
will dissolve. So, more highly soluble in water. Is it yes or no, guys? Highly soluble in water.
Sir.
That is why it is dissolving. How much amount? Around 204 grams of sugar is dissolving in same 100 ml of water. 100 grams, 100 ml, not 100 ml, 100 grams of water. At what temperature? At
20 degrees Celsius.
yes. Understand all of you? Please respond me. Now, for example, if we'll take another one, ammonium chloride. If we'll take ammonium chloride, what is that? Ammonium
Chloride.
Ammonium chloride, if you take, guys, it is how much, 37 grams is dissolving. How much it is? 37 grams is dissolving. Understand, Ra? So, like that, sodium chloride, 36 grams. So, at a given temperature, at 20 degrees Celsius, different substances, means different solutes is dissolving in different in water. Is it yes or no? Water. So, for example, I am saying, so same amount of water. So, the solubility is always, what is solubility, Ra? What is solubility? The maximum amount of solute can be dissolved in 100 grams of solvent, at a specified temperature. What is that? At a specified temperature is known as the solubility of that solute in that solvent. Understand, guys? Respond me, please. Yes, that is what we should call it as. So now I will give you one sum. Let me see who will solve first. Can I give the sum, please? Right. 12 grams of potassium sulfate. 12 grams of potassium sulfate. 12 grams of potassium sulfate dissolves in 75 grams of water. dissolves in 75 grams of water. 75 grams of water. 75 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius. 60. Are you guys are writing? 60 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius. What is the solubility in water? What is the solubility in water at the temperature? What is that? At the temperature. Please write it.
12 grams, sir.
Temperature. Understand all of you? Respond, guys. Nobody is saying. Bolra. Now,
Sir, 16 at 60 degrees Celsius, sir.
water. Water.
Sir, what is the solubility after that? What, sir?
Solubility in water at the temperature. At the temperature means at the 60 degrees, how much amount of, understanding the solubility of potassium sulfate in water is how much they are asking. That is what I want. Please. So always you have to take for how much amount of solute, how much amount of solvent, how much amount of solvent. What do you mean by solubility? Read the definition.
Sir, 100
Maximum
grams, sir.
100 grams. But here they have given for what?
Sir,
100.
75 grams. Sir.
75 only. So we want to make it for 100. That's all. That is what the solubility. Purinjicha. Yes or no?
Sir,
Solubility means always the amount of solute is equal to how much, Radharan?
16 grams.
Amount of solvent is equal to what? 100 grams. But
100 grams.
75 only. So now, how to make it? Observe very carefully. Right. Given data. What is given? Given data. Example. What is given? Tell me. What is given, Ra?
Sir, solute equal to 12 grams,
Equal
sir.
to 12
12
grams.
grams, sir.
So, solute is equals to 12 grams. Solute is equals to 12 grams. Next, solvent is equals to what? Solvent
75 grams.
75 grams. Now, observe very carefully, all of you. I can say, so 75 grams of solvent is equals to 12 grams of solute. Is it yes or no concentration? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
So you can write the statement. So they have been given 75 grams of water dissolves 12 grams of potassium sulfate. So we have to find how much potassium sulfate will dissolve in 100 grams. Is it yes or no, Sai? 100 grams. If you find for 100 grams, it is over. Now, how to find it? That is what my question. So anybody can say 75 grams of water dissolves equals
12 by 75 into 100.
grams of water dissolves equals to how much? 75 grams of water. 75 grams of water dissolves, which is equals to how much, Ra? 12 grams of potassium. What is that? 12 grams of, tell me, potassium. Understand all of you? Laksha? Potassium sulfate. Understand, Darun? Now, 75 become how much, Ra? 75 become how much? It must be made 100 grams of water. Understand, all of you? So we want to find for 100 grams. Then only it is called as solubility. What we should call it? Then only we should call it as? Speak. Then only it is called as what? Solubility. Understand, guys? Respond me. Then only it is called as solubility. So that is why. So 100 grams of water will dissolve is equals to what will come, Sai? Can you able to say 100 grams of water will dissolve?
Multiply by 100, sir.
Dissolves, which is equals to what, Sai? Can you able to say?
12 by 75 by 100 into 100.
So why you know? 12 by 75. Why you know? Because for 1 gram we will find. So what is for 1 gram? 75 grams means 12 grams. And now 1 gram how much, Ra? For 1 gram of water. For 1 gram of water, how much?
12 by 75.
For 1 gram of water is equals to 12 by 75. 12 by 75 grams of potassium sulfate. Is it yes or no, guys? Respond me.
Sir.
Potassium sulfate. Is it yes or no? For 75 grams, 12 grams
Sir.
mean. Now, for 1 gram, how much ra? For 1 gram, 12 by 75. Now, 1 become 100. So that just we want to multiply into 100. Is it yes or no? So 12 by
Sir.
75 into 100 grams of potassium.
Sulfate.
Sulfate. So now, solve this one, all of you. 5 table. 5 table, you can check it.
16, sir.
Ah,
16.
yeah, okay. How much it is coming? 75. How much it will come?
Gram, sir. 16 gram.
No, this is cancel it first. 5 table. 20 sir. And
25 table.
here
20 and 12, sir.
1 sir, 5, 25, 5, 5 sir. Is it as guys?
Sir, in
15,
25
Sir.
table itself, we can cancel that, sir. 3
What?
and 4.
Ah,
In 25 table, 3 and 4, sir.
yes, yes, yes. So now 3 4s are at 3.
5, sir.
Is it yes or no? Next, 5 1s are 5 4s are. So 4 into 4, which is equals to how many grams? Sir? 16
16
grams.
grams.
16 grams.
So now here, once again I'm explaining you. Laksha, Manya, you understand Laksha? Shruti? So here, suppose see, I am saying, sir, how to find? Suppose I am 100 chocolates is equals to, understanding 150 rupees, then 200 chocolates is equals to how much they are asking. 200 chocolates is equals to dash they are asking. So what we have to do? We must know first cost of one chocolate. Is it yes or no? Cost of
Yes, sir.
one chocolate. Then only we can find for 200 chocolates. Is it yes or no, guys? That's all. So now here
Yes,
100
sir.
is equals to 150 means cost of one chocolate. What we can write? This I can write 100 into one chocolate. Is it yes or no? Which is equals to 150 rupees. Now I want for one chocolate. Who is extra? 100. So 100 will come this side. What will become? Here multiplication will come this side. Division. Understand?
Division.
So 150 by 100. So this is what cost of how much ra? Cost of one chocolate. So now 200 chocolates means how much it will come? 150 by 100 into 200.
Into 200.
Which is equals to 300 rupees it will come. Is it yes or no? The same way here I am applying here. So they have given the solubility of salt for 75 grams of solute. Sorry, 75 grams of solvent. So that is, you can see, that is not called as solubility. Always will take for solubility for how much grams? 100 grams of solvent. How much it is? 100 grams of
100 grams of
Grams of
solvent.
solvent.
equals to, you can say, we have to find always for 1 gram. 1 gram if you'll find, then even 1000 grams also you can easily just multiplication only. Is it yes or no? Yes, guys.
Sir.
So this is all about the today's class. With this, I will stop the today's class. In the next class, we will study the effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. If the temperature increases, what about the solubility? If temperature decreases, what about the solubility? How it is increases, decreases. That is all we will study in the next class. So with this, I will stop the today's class. Thank
Thank you, sir.
you. Yeah.
Sir.
Bye, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.